Good day, everyone. I'm Gavin Ross and Gutierrez, presenting the Security Precautions Agency. Okay, let's start the presentation. The Security Precaution Agency aim to provide unlimited security, keeping always the right way to live a life, home and business protection. It develop and enhance security protection for all the people wants to live in inconvenient, comfortably, and preserve protection of all personal data and privacy. The Security Precaution Agency recommends security systems and communication. These are as follow as physical security, perimeter barrier, animal barrier, data privacy, personal data, security lightings, system communication, and alarms. So, the introduction. So, the subject of the Security Precaution Agency has flexible in the recommendation. Can be subjected are as follow as houses, business, personal data, data privacy, and all can be subjected to secure the privacy. The Security Precaution Agency started the subject the house of one of our representative owner, the house, Miss Kate Pilotos, as the Security Precaution Agency go through the recommendation apply after the survey of the house. So, the Security Precaution Agency aiming the housing, residential, and business. So we are authorized to be to survey the house of Miss Kate Pilotos. The location is Block 6, Lot 7, Phase 2, Doña Rosa. Surveying personnel, I'm the surveying personnel, Gavin Rasim Gutierrez, and escorted by Christian Francis G. Magangkong. It is permitted on October 5, 2021, time 700s to 2100s. The location. So it is the front view, which is the gate entrance, the back view, and right view gate, exit, left view. So that is the background of the surveyed house. There are many deficiencies in terms of security standards. So the mission of our Security Precaution Agency and function. The mission of the Security Precaution Agency is to aim the security standard to keep safe the lives, home, business, personal data, and privacy. The Security Precaution Agency's function to enhances and develop security services to deter crime or disorder. The Security Precaution Agency recommend any products manufactured to be installed even if it is generics. We are not promoting brands. In other words, we are recommending products that save lives and provide security in any case. The major function are as follow. To protect lives in any case of fire or disorder. Deter criminal behavior. Prevention of crimes. Preserve data privacy. Prevent unexpected intrusion. Recommendation of installation for protection. So that is the function and mission. Okay. Proceed to the relationship with the higher organizations. So the Security Precaution Agency recommend you to keep in touch with the higher authority to provide communication in any case of fire or crimes. This Security Precaution Agency have been cooperating to Philippine National Police and Bureau of Fire Protection in order to keep in touch with the higher authority in case of fire or crimes. The Security Protection Agency provide you information with the higher organization in order you to protect. So here's the Philippine National Police and Bureau of Fire. Sorry for that presentation. That is the Philippine National Police. So this is the National Emergency Hotline in the Philippines. 911 Philippine National Police Hotline. 117 or 028722-0650. Okay, that is the hotline of Philippine National Police. And the Bureau of Fire Protection. So this is the hotline for BFP. 028426. In any case of fire crimes, just keep in touch with these two authority. So let's proceed. So C, physical security. So in order to provide physical security, we have the number one, perimeter barriers. So the perimeter barrier is one of the suggested for recommendation in Security Precaution Agency. As a surveyor checked the area, the standard perimeter barrier did not fulfill the standard. The physical security in the list presented on the wall presented on the animal barrier and concrete. So the surveyor checked the area of the owner of the house. We confirmed that the physical security where depends on animal barrier and concrete wall rather. So this is the situations of the surveyor in the recent survey. Situation. The surveyor of the Security Precaution Agency confirmed a lot of deficiency in the area location. These are follow as perimeter barrier, physical security, system communication, outdoor lightings, alarms. Okay, that is the physical security. That is the deficiency, the security of the area. So here is the recommendation of the security precaution for the owner of the house. So the recommendation, the perimeter barrier, the standard perimeter barrier did not fulfill the exact height of concrete. So in the survey of the house, the standard perimeter barrier is not the exact or the standard for the security of the owner. So in order to reach the security precaution, the standard of perimeter barrier should follow the height of 7 feet or above or more. So that is the recommendation of the perimeter barrier. It should be 7 feet and above or more. So physical security. Physical security. The Security Precaution Agency recommended every home to apply the animal barrier, camera, and sensors and to secure the area location of the owner of the house. And if it is a business, security recommended the business to hire a security guard to maintain the surroundings in altering or intrude the background. So in order to be secured the house, the physical security are recommending the animal barrier, which is the dog or anything. The typical is the dog. Then CCTVs, night vision, and motion sensors to prevent and secure the area. And if it is a business, so we recommend to hire a security guard and also to provide camera and sensors especially the lightings. So that is the physical security. So let's proceed to the other recommendations. System communications is another recommendation. The system communication can help to provide instruction to authority. Well, the basic communication to provide help to the others is the communication systems. So these as follow as telephone, cell phone, another communication to contact someone or authority in case of fire or disorder. So outdoor lightings, another recommendation of the Security Precaution Agency. The outdoor lighting is one of the useful equipment to deter criminals. The Security Precaution Agency recommended every home, buildings, and infrastructure to install an outdoor lighting. So, the Security Precaution Agency is not just recommending residential and houses, but also in any buildings and infrastructures or business. So that is the Security Precaution Agency are flexible in recommending such security safety. So okay, let's proceed. The lightings is basically the useful detection of personal information from intrusion, especially at night and during the time for challenging. We, the Security Precaution Agency, recommend every home to use the following: sensor motion light, outdoor or indoor, emergency lighting, and control lighting. So that is recommended for any buildings or safe place. So let's proceed to the next recommendation. So alarms. So alarms sometimes be installed in infrastructure, business, or any kind of business entity. So alarms. The alarm can be is one of the useful in any instances of committing a crime. So in order to prevent the crime, in committing crime in committing, the Security Precaution Agency recommended every home and business to use the alarms. It is not also for crime deterrent, but also it can be used to alarm neighbors that you need help in case of fire or disorders. So the alarm is not just for you. It's not just for the. It's not just for the. I but but to but to but it allows you it allows the neighbors to know what happened inside of your house. So we can also install alarms in our home. So that is also recommended for you if you can afford. So but the generic term, we always use the animal barrier, which is the dog. So let's proceed for the next recommendation. Okay, number 2, guard force and guard system. So the situation in the Security Precaution Agency survey, after surveying the area location of the house, some of that security precaution is deficient and cannot fulfill the security standard. So the Security Precaution Agency, after they surveyed, they confirm a lot of that of lackings of security standards. So the security in the area location are as follows. So here are the security in the area located in the surveyed area. So here is the guard dog fence aberrant. If we said aberrant, it is lacking of standard, or it is not following the standard recommendation of the wall or the fence. Multi-four door lock. So, there are multiple